Here's how to transform the structure of your face in 1 week. Follow this routine. I'm going to show you how to get rid of your double chin, slim down your round face and your nose, and also remove wrinkles at the same time. So make sure your face is clean and bare. Grab a lightweight oil like almond or jojoba oil and follow along. Let's start with the lower part of your face. But it doesn't actually start with your neck, but rather at your ears. Pull your ears up and down gently, holding the center of their edges. This engages the muscles around the ears and jawline, which helps in toning and tightening. The next big plus is that it reduces fluid retention here, which in turn will reduce the bloating, giving your chin a slim appearance. This will make a big difference, especially in the mornings when your face is at its puffiest. Have you heard of buccal fat removal? Don't panic, because I'm not going to tell you to cut out fat from your cheek. Instead, do this for the next 30 seconds. Move your tongue inside your cheek itself from left to right. This is something you can do anytime actually, even if you have a free moment just sitting at your desk or just before you go to bed. What this does is it activates your buccinator muscles. The consistent muscle activation helps reduce the fat deposits in your cheek, which tones your muscles. This is especially beneficial if you want to reduce cheek fat and get a more V-shaped jawline. This next technique is so simple that you could be doing this without even thinking about it. First, make sure you're sitting straight and then press your thumb up to the center of your jaw. This should be at the point where the hard bone of your chin meets the soft part of your jaw. This action stimulates the pressure point that improves blood flow to this region, which helps in reducing puffiness and fluid retention. Additionally, adding pressure to this area encourages lymphatic drainage. These fluids naturally gather here, making it look puffy. This action can help drain them and make you look much more toned. We are working on the cheekbones next, and this action is like nature's contouring, so make sure you're watching closely. Form a V with your fingers and proceed to massage along the jawline and drain the fluid at the neck. This is similar to using a gua sha in the same region to lift and sculpt your cheeks. But since we're using our fingers, you can do this at home right now without any tools. And you also have greater control over massaging your cheeks as compared to using a marble gua sha. How this helps in slimming down the cheeks is that it drains the fluid outwards towards your lymph nodes. Continued use of this technique can actually make your cheeks appear much more defined and slimmer. This massage also reduces the tension in your cheeks, which can relax those muscles and lessen the appearance of lines around the mouth and bloating as well. The second gua sha imitating motion is a lifesaver for anyone with a round face. Remember to keep the V shape of your fingers the same for this massage. Starting at the sides of your nose, pull your skin back gently until the ear. You can even move the fingers in a circular motion once you reach the forehead. Not only does this drain the puffiness causing fluid from your cheekbones, but it also gives your forehead a super relaxing massage. Remember, whenever massaging, your movement should all go upwards. Our final goal is to lift the entire face. So remember this at every step. This action also boosts blood circulation to your cheekbones. And the best way I can explain it is imagine a pond with stagnant water. How dirt, leaves, and a forever dirty film gathers there. Now imagine a stream of clear flowing water. If you've understood my drift, that's how blood circulation also clears your skin while you massage it. Do you know what the most common surgery is among celebrities? A rhinoplasty, meaning slimming down your nose. Now this isn't going to give you the same results as a knife and surgeon combo, but honestly this is your best bet for a slimmer nose without the cost or the pain. Start by making small inward circles around your nostrils. Use gentle pressure and pick your softest, the ring finger, to do so. This massage helps engage the muscles around your nostrils and nose, which are often neglected. By stimulating these muscles, you can create a slight lifting and toning effect, making your nose appear more shapely. The improved blood circulation also promotes healthy skin, so your nose will be both slim and free of excess oil deposits. This next exercise will not only help with slimming down the bridge of your nose, but it will also help you to reduce sinus-causing headaches. Start from the side of your nose bridge where your eyebrows come to meet and pull down until the sides of your nose, near the nostrils. The nose bridge too can collect fluids and look puffy or uneven sometimes. And draining this excess can help slim it down to its best sleek shape. If you're wondering why the downward motion here all of a sudden, there's a scientific answer for that too. Near the nostrils and the edge of the nose is where gravity pulls down the excess fluid, and we are simply assisting gravity in this motion. That is usually on throughout the day without us even knowing. That's why your nose looks slimmer at night than in the mornings. Now we've reached that point of your face that really gives away your age. So let's take years off your face. And if you don't have these wrinkles yet, let's prevent them. Start from the center of your brows and massage in this crisscross pattern till your hairline. Regularly massaging the forehead boosts blood circulation, which in turn stimulates collagen production, which is essential for firm, elastic skin. This massage also releases muscle tension, especially in the front tail's muscle. This is where your frown lines and horizontal wrinkles appear because of your daily animated expressions like raising your eyebrows or frowning. By relaxing these muscles, this technique softens existing wrinkles and even prevents deeper lines. On top of that, this motion improves skin elasticity by promoting better nutrient flow, making the skin more resilient and able to stand tall or rather taut against new wrinkles forming. The final massage for today is really simple and you can do this any time of the day. Simply pinch your eyebrows from the beginning till the tail of the brow. This will soften those dreaded frown lines between your eyebrows. I found out about these recently myself when I started seeing that my makeup had started creasing between my eyebrows as well. You just completed your first 5-minute full face massage. Now remember, you do have to do this for the entire next week to see real results. So make sure to come back here and I'll see you next morning. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.